zani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu ndabe sekudwini ekudwini.
A warm welcome to you, our viewers. Siyalamukela Enkundleni exclusive brought to you by Deb3 Events, a company which focuses on events management and planning. Guys, so if you have an event, whatever event that you have, be it corporate, be it social, be it church, be it lobola, lemchato, guys, social events, Deb3 Events, ilakho ukuthi ikuncedise. You need a PA system. You need DJ services, you need stage hire, you need LED screens, konke nje, you name it, Deb3 ikhona. Photo shoots, videography ikhona Deb3. Kulalabana futhi abathi bona bangama musicians, you know, ikhona studio, khona rehearsal space ikhona njalo. So guys, just get in touch using the contacts akhona lapho ku screen. As usual, angihamba ngedwa, ngihamba lo General Leslie, mina ibizo lami nguNonduduzo Ncube. Sikhona lapha sizoli-host ama-gents. Leslie ushap.
Yeah. Ngizama ulungisa iposter lami.
Uzama ulungisa iposter. Uke wakhuluma le Okuhle Designs.
Leli lifuna uzilungisela.
Uyazilungisela? Hayi. Mina uzilungisela lona angilifuni, ngifuna ukubona ele Okuhle Designs. Hayi.
Hello and welcome to Enkundleni podcast. This is your boy General Leslie Masuku, the only comedian that's funny so far. Yeah, I can confirm. So, like I always say, this episode is powered by Okuhle Designs for all your graphic printing, t-shirt printing, anything that has to do with graphic work, from t-shirts, posters, banners. If you want to campaign as the MP for Nkulumane, you can. If you want a proper poster and a proper t-shirt, it's fucking guys. You can contact Okuhle Designs, and I always say it's festive seasons. Some of you are doing Lobola celebrations, some of you are doing church conferences. I'm at Thanksgiving. If you need banners, if you need posters, if you need branding for your events, make sure you contact Okuhle Designs right now on the contacts that are on your screens. And yes, salenzela sharp. But minelam leli manje.
I'm not trust. So you're talking about my events got December. So but ngapha be designelwa Okuhle Designs, ngapha Deb3 I manager.
That's how we do it. That's how we do it. If you need sound, if you need a DJ, if you need MC, if you need lights, if you need smoke machines, if you need cinematography, you visit Deb3 Events and wherever we match. But if you need posters, if you need banners, if you need t-shirts and caps, you go to Okuhle. And the good thing about it is, if you contact any one of them, they can give you quotation for the other. It's easy.
Kulula kanjalo. Awusoze utshona usiyale la.
Hayi.
So akutshela mina usiphatheleni this week.
Interesting. You remember last week we were talking about umntwana odabula abanye bevela esikole and
uBhayibhit.
Yes. And
uBhayibhit uBhayibhit.
Uyazikhetela. So I remember ufanele uke wambuza ukuthi kara awufa ngomkazana lo. Recently there's been bekule drama kakhulu because all of a sudden sokuthutsha indoda. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Indoda zithutsha zivele emakhaya, then sokuyala ukuthi esikolo, then well, that's none of my business because ngithenga ukhangele ngani idrama akuqedakali, like even it brings us to a subject eqhakathekileyo and ukuthi sometimes especially abantu be social media and for example umntwana lwana uBhayibhit akakabi social media personality.
Yes.
Kusase a true story. And then today, a random matsibaba comes, afikati angaya esikolo. Then tomorrow, uBhayibhit nguyesithi hayi ayisuye lo thengi ngaya esikolo. You know, it communicates something wrong about the girl child, and it communicates something wrong about. Imagine kungwelwana okade usilwa usithulelo mama using uBybeat as a mirror. Them sasa ngoyosisithi hayi indoda yami right vele mina vele ngifuna ukuya esikolo and lokho abesikwenza hayi idrama akusaqedakali like then now you don't know what exactly to believe and we are approaching 16 days of activism against the gender-based violence and the same Bybeat waba lo mntwana around 15 years and no one is talking about that. It's okay. The only thing now is for khuluma ngayo ukuthi bebesilwa bevele esikolo. Now here comes something which is very important. Who is this guy that impregnated a minor? What is the family saying about it? Akulendaba lokho hayi wonke umuntu vele will give birth eventually. So yabona why inhlala nsithi ama feminist.
Yo rude in life yakho. Ule. Zvakanaka zvi.
Aiwa. Zvakanaka
zvi. Bybeat.
Iwe uri mukadzi wemunhu, muri mwaparako.
Asi mukadzi wemunhu, i-girlfriend yemunhu iwewe, usamarineta zvinhu. I-girlfriend yemunhu.
According to you.
She's not married. She is not married. Uri kudei Bybeat.
Urukuona problem yako. Ndiwe honzere nyaya sei panapa. Uri kudhumanisa mama nemurume wako musoro.
Uri kudei neupenyu hwako Bybeat.
Life yako. Ivo wabudira mama pachina kuti mama ndikuda chakati. Budira murume wako pachina kuti inini ndikuda chakati. Chaura tiri ma witness.
Uri kudei.
Aiwa dai ratangidzisa. Zvakanaka ndozvi.
Kurama zvakanaka zvingandiseso zvingandidii.
Andinozva zvakanaka zvinoshandirwa. Saka uri kuronga kuzvishandira sei?
Mukana uyu
wakapiwa mukana wekuenda kuchikoro uchiri kuda izvo kuenda kuchikoro.
Nekuda kwei? Wakadii?
Ndakanganiswa kudhara.
Wakanganiswa kudhara?
Saka uri kufunga kuti wasisina mumwe mukana kunyange ukadzokera kuchikoro. Saka chauri kuda kuita izvino zvichidhaisheni pazvinhu zvese zvakaofewa izvizvi. Chauri kuda kuita iwe nelife chii? Funga ugotidaira vamunini.
Makabuda mira ndokumurofeisa. Makabuda mukati zvimwe zvese angaita asi chikoro munhu andogara naye aende kuchikoro.
Yeah, ipapo mashoko endakataura ndichisapota iye because iye anditi bayema zvimwe zvese zvekutaurika inini ndichikuti bhayi uyu mukana handiti
imi makatomuti enda kuchikoro
ini ndaimuti uyu mukana handiti
bamunini makamuti enda kuchikoro here
iye akatobvira akatongozviramba
imi makamuti enda kuchikoro here
kuchikoro ini because yanditi ndanzi ndiende kuDubai taura
bhayi wakanzi enda kuchikoro nemurume wako iwo ndomva waramba ndomva warega ivo vachiuya vachiramba kuti vatukwe nevanhu uriwo uri kuda kuenda kuchikoro iwo usatitisa iwewe usatitisa uri kutodhumanisa vanhu musoro izvozvo ndo zvinoratidza kuti iwe haukwanisi kuita decision.
I think enye into ngokunye okungumkhuba okukhona okufuna ukukhuzwa ukuthi kulabantu abagijima fast bagrebe ulutho and bethi bayancedisa ama intentions abo they're not genuine. Not genuine at all. So you'll find ukuthi abantu abaningi abakade befika laphana estoreni sika Bybeat ngabantu who were making something out of it. People who were getting something out of it. Ama social media influencers. Kule video engiyibonileyo umntwana lwana egqoke i-uniform yakhe efana laliyana eyigqokile ngesikhathi senza boxing echaya umbully she was wearing that uniform and the other content creator was twerking and she was also twerking on the side. Right. Of course sesiukhangela ukuthi ngumama ngoba labantwana and stuff but umntwana
true
at the same time. So umntwana lwana sifuna ukumncedisa but simncedisa njani ngokumthwekisa online.
Yeah.
Is that the help that we are?
Yeah.
Sifuna ukuthi abe social media influencer etwerker. Guys, ama social media influencers maningi. There are people who are not into twerking but who are very influential. Yabona? Umntwana lwana, she could have been an advocate for against bullying.
Yes,
She could,
because that's actually part
she
of
could have done a lot of influence in other things that actually matter, which are not twerking. Yabo. So indaba yokutwerkisa abantu leyi just because uyabo umuntu lo vulnerable, umuntu lo ufuna uncedo, ubusumtwerkisa. They will say she volunteered, but ukuvolunteer phela kumele kube into oyenza free will. Not because usubuyile wena wabuya wena la ngihlalela phansi la ngithi asitwerke, for you to get this you have to do this. That's not volunteering. Yabo. It's so close the issue of consent. Ukuthi omunye umuntu uyathi ule power, like for example, let's say in a setup yemsebenzini ukuthi your boss comes and asks to sleep with you and you say yes. Can we say you really consented? Yabo. So kuyahambelana la khona ukuthi umntwana lwana usethethwe ngali kwathiwa buya ngapha sikuncedise sikuhambise esikoleni and stuff like that. Then the next thing sokuthiwa as creative video. Can she say no?
No, akusayenze rare.
Uyabona ngikhona. So I think kulabantu laba aba esiba hypeayo but abayenza izinto ngendlela engayisiyo.
Mina I think kuphendula imbuzo, there's a topic that I hate so much about kubulawa support or angiyithandi topic la, because ngezikhathi ezinje kuyaphendula imbuzo yona leyana nti I always say it, and ngiba ngani ngumuntu wrong when I say it. Ama drugs sibili ukumamatheka kwama drugs kwaqhaza ama dancehall artist and aqhaza afakwa phezulu le, then basebeqhaza ukuhlabela ingoma zembanje, then kwagcwala nti it's the same thing ukuthi seqhaza sithathe ipage lomntwana esivelele emakhaya silifake ku 108,000 followers and singalifaka ku 108,000 followers sesiqhaza ukukhipha ama issues aqhakathekileyo. Number 1, kukhulunywa ngendaba yesikolo, and it's something that we always preach ukuthi if you're given a second chance ukubuyela esikolo buyela, because it helps you tomorrow, right? So umuntu lo usemehlweni abantu, and asilanhloni sibili ukuma in public sithi awu esikolo lokho kulandaba what, and well it's another thing that we're going to talk about. But mina ngimoqathe kakhulu ukuthi umntwana lo siqasa ukumbona simbone as defender and against umuntu okade embhula and umntwana lo uvela emakhaya which are marginalized areas and ubuye endaweni elama open topics and open minds and ufika elomntwana abalaye emncane, and we choose to totally ignore that and start talking about everything else, like you're saying setweka, we're ignoring that. And what message are we passing to the perpetrators out there ukuthi nxa kungakhulunywa ngalutho then you can get away with it? So I can ngiyakwazi ukudlwengula umuntu mina ole 15 ngihle ngimthathe ngithi sengunkosikazi wami, and the message is nothing is going to be done to me.
I think enye issue khona lapho issue yokuthi indaba ekhona yena le ukuthi umntwana angamithiswa nti usexotshelwa endodeni. Automatically sokusiba umendo.
Yes, ukusungumendo.
Nxa ungaziphikanga isisu sakho nambe nxa ungamxotsanga ungavela umamukele uhlale laye usesemendweni. And nxa sokungumendo ama families sokumele ubhadaliswe wona susiyalobola and stuff. Ubona ngana ama families engasakubophisa khona lapho. So enye into isebadaleni konkhana ukuthi nxa umntwana sebuyile sezithwele nangu selimxotsha buyela lapho vela khona. Abuyele exhegwini lakhe efike ezihlalele. Xhegu selibuya selizokhipha ama damage lani sokudlulile. Yabo. And then enye issue mina kade ngifuna ukuyibuza, but I know ukuthi we are not going to get an answer for that. Ukuthi isikolo ukukhulunywa ngaso 1 yisiphi?
Yes.
2, did the girl want to go back to school? Yabo. Ngezinye izinto kumele sizikhangele sesikhuluma ngomuntu osedlule entweni eziningi usebe lo mntwana usebe lo mendo and stuff like that you find ukuthi uselezinye izinto afisa ukuzenza ezingasizo kubuyela eklasini yabo bayalitshela ukuthi ayi mina ngile talent lokuthunga I want to be a tailor
yeah
mina vele ekhaya ngangizlimela mina ngifuna ukulima uyabo so nxa lisithi go back to school which school are we talking about sifuna ukumbisela ku form 3 yini kumbe sifuna ukumenzisa vocational education ayenze agriculture yakhe afisa ukuyenza kumbe ayothunga ayifundela ukuthunga afuna ukwenza which school are we talking about mina from the post bengibona anganthi umntwana lona bebiselwa ku form 3 form 3 form 4 from the posts that I was seeing online that was what most people are implying ukuthi umntwana wasebuyela secondary school yabo selizabisela umuntu kanti vele yena akasekho khona yabo so kosisikhathi umuntu nxa limncedisa you have to look at the needs umuntu lwa the individual need yomuntu lwa ukuthi kahle kahle wena umuntu udingani kahle uyabona kefanana ngizakubisela endabeni ka talent utalent ama lipstick lana elalimgcoba wona ayisiwa ewadinga uyabona utalent kwakumele ahanjiswe kumbe kusengutsheni mbe
ayithola ama tablets
exactly
ayithola medication
umuntu umncediseni ngoncedo oluyilo aludingayo not what we want bese befuna abe yi star social media star did she want that uyabo so yizo ezinye izinto ngabona umkakhe sebuyile seqamela umkakhe engcawe ufuna usihambele emendweni umntwana kumbe engcenye ukuqamela lokhana kwasokuyibuhlungu bokuthi maye sembuyela kuma problems engangilawo akula muntu owathi buya ngikazana sihlale phansi sikhulume do you want to go back there are you being held against your will konke uthiwa wena usiqambela amanga wena sokuyi-content futhi ukuthi uqamba amanga wathi kayendanga yabo sokuyi-content futhi asikaboni i-content esitshela ukuthi by bit are you okay with going back home with this man yabona umuntu lo ubekuhlukuluza kumbe kahle kahle okukwenza ukuthi ungakhulumi ukuthi ubusemendweni kuyini you know a safe space where she can openly speak ukuthi hayi mina ngiyafuna ukubuyela mina ngifuna ukubuya yonke into it was on camera by biti usadaro by biti wadidi uyabo so everything was just content that's why I'm saying these people are not genuine at all
true
ukuthi vanhu vezimbabwe vakatokutarisa vari kuteerera nyaya dzako ina handiti zvemunhu anonyepa ibvo wabuda openi taurira vanhu chokwadi hatidi kuramba uchinyepera mhuri yezimbabwe sokunyepera kwawakandiita saka muri kuplana kuita sei zvichireva kuti wakubuda maoko amairasi wakudzokera kumba kwako nemurume wako nakuna maiguru vako handiti mune zvekutaura here bamukuru
ini handina chekutaura maiguru kana kuti nditi ndinokushorai pane zvamakaita rudo chokwadi ndotanga isina kubuda zvachine pachena saka kana ipapa kumhuri yezimbabwe ndinokwanisa kutokontinya nemukadzi wangu tichiita zvatinenge tichiita semunhu anga achionekwa nenyika ndiri kumusapota kana even ipapa ndaitomusapota senzira yeupenyu
right imimi bamunini imimi ndoda kukubvunzai mune 1 year muchigara nemwana wevanhu hamuna kana kunobvisa tsvakirai kuno zvayo muri kufungei nazvo because isusu mai pavakatidza kuti mwana haana murume takazvibhilivha asi dai mama kanobvisawo tsvakirai kuno kana kuti pashoma pamuinapo uyo akanzi afa nhasi munotangira papi hamusi kuzikamwa kumba kwavo panofambiswa sei ende imimi munozivana here nana ambuya venyu munokomunicata here nana ambuya venyu toda kuziva relationship between you nana ambuya venyu
naambuya vangu ndaifanange ndakatumira mari $60 ndichiti vachinji madzimai angu auye kuno nditi ndinouya here ndinobvisa tsvakirai kuno zandai ngauye ndakamupa $60 iye akaenda ikoko odho aina unorekodha zvaine patsvakirai kuno but inini madhamu yangu ichiuya kuno tanga titori nerwendo rwatanga tatoisa ikoko kuti ndiri kuuya kuzobvisa ikoko mukadzi wangu aripo tabva tatangirwawo nezvakaitika izvi but still kana nhasi handitadzi kunoroora mukadzi wangu ipapa titori mujeni yekuti tiende kuti ikoko ambuya vangu kana vakaita problem varwara vanondifonera mwana wangu ndarwara ndinotumira mari vanamai sisters ake anouya kumba kwangu tichigara tese tichidii tichifambidzana tiri pamwe chete
Yeah, mina, I think first thing I'll just throw it kuma viewers ukuthi ama issues that are related to abuse abalwa njani, because I remember there was once a issue of robbery that I was partly involved in, because ngaye ngahamba ukuyagadisa umfundisi wami imoto and eseHarare. Then I usually take number plate ngagadisa umuntu imoto. So ngathatha number plate, then he was robbed, then sahambisa number plate and the boys were caught. So angazi ukuthi kwakhulunyiswana njani, because I was not very much involved, and so I think ama lawyer wakhulumisana whatever, then they wanted to withdraw a case, and so they had to convince Oropiwe to withdraw a case, and I think he was willing to, but the state now says robbery, you don't withdraw a robbery because it's not your case, and so something like imeta kumele nze mangale yini mina umuntu angavuke file la, then kube le evidence ukuthi umuntu ombuleleyo ngulwana, kumele ifamily members ibuye nepolice izovula idocket, because it issue of abuse aso issue yokuthi singathi kumele uzibana zabuye. I don't think if it's like that then it has to change. I'm not sure if there's anyone ole information ukuthi issue of abuse ihandlwa njani. Please help me, but if it's that case yokuthi nxa mina umntana ami edlonguliwe kumele mina ngize ngizomangala, then we're not doing anything, we're still joking about it.
Any problem ka nge-issue kaBhayibheli ukuthi umember lwana uthe yena walobola.
That's another crime.
So
uma yamukela amalobolo emntwaneni le 14 years, that's a crime.
Ama family issues eswatshwana la ukuthi umntwana semithi sokuthiwa hamba kubaba umntwana sebuya sezokhipha inhlawulo sokudlulile, but umntwana lo abusiwe phela ngumntwana.
And for me, I'm going back to the message, because I'm not worried. I apologize about this. Stories kaBhayibheli sile drama, so I don't even care about yena labangiwe and all that. I'm worried about the other kids out there, the other girls out there, because what are we saying? What are we saying? Because umuntu lo nguye trendayo khathesi. And utrend okokuthi uJapreza upeke up abantu ku venue, and no one is talking about it. We're talking about uBhayibheli, like everywhere Bhayibheli, and sithini ngomuntu osehlala lo mntwana le 15 years nxa ebukela stories kaBhayibheli, and sithini ngomntwana le 15 years, because akuzange kusetshenziswe as an example, because anti into elapha. So it was a good example to say, oh, all right, manini khonapho siyabona lokho litrenda limnika amasofa. Now there's a legal team that have come to investigate ukuthi umntwana, what happened, umntwana wami tele 15 years, what, no one is there. Akulandaba. So what narrative are we pushing?
The children's organizations are quiet.
They are quiet.
The women's organizations
they are quiet.
Everyone is just quiet about
it's
it.
Okay. It's okay. And it's coming immediately after issue umntwana bebalekile weTownsend wahlala lendoda, and the next thing everyone is tweeting how wrong. So are we waiting for someone ukuthaza police station a reporter before we say something? If that is the case, then akuvalwe phela ngama children organization kwakhona, then sihle sithi vele yi freestyle. Because no one is saying anything one else. And ngeke ngarana through ama comments, omunye umuntu angazama ukukhuluma anything indlela ethethiswa ngayo. Hey wena ongaphi? Hey what if nxa be happy? So are we saying umntwana le 12 years angaba happy kimi ku right?
No.
Because we're talking about the most trending thing, and igcwele a crime and kusharp. So I think ngiyalichikela ngicela ling-assist on that.
We really want to hear what you guys think about indaba
when it comes to ama issues abuse. Kumele nze ngiyemangala yini mina ubaba womntwana, like kwenzakala njani? Help me kuma comments. Kuhamba njani? And if there's anyone maybe that you know that focuses on these issues, ngicela limtheke afake i-comment asitshele then abe sesitshela futhi lokuthi wayengakakhulumi. Then coming back to issue esikole, and I've always said maybe ukuthi mina ngangidala isikole, so sometimes nxa ngizama ukukhuluma this issue so
Awudala mba usiloleni.
ngangidala
Awudala mba uyisiloleni.
ngangiyisilolena but andibona into zakwenza zisenzakala fast, so I was not given enough chance yokuthi sibili mfunde ngephesi yami kwagcina kuthiwa mina ndidala. Then isyllabus I feel like it's so unfair because sonke siyaphiwa isihlahla and kuthiwe gadana isihlahla, then omunye inhlanzi, omunye indlovu, omunye inkawu, omunye ngumpango, then kuthiwe awu eqala ufika phezulu lapha sepasile and inhlanzi idinga amanzi. It's the same thing. Uthemba Korimbo actually shared something emvula amehlo, and you also spoke about it ukuthi umntwana lo udiscover ngokulwa as-defend, and no one is talking about maybe finding a boxing coach, and even engasoze athathe i-boxing as profession, and but maybe raising an awareness against self-defense, and ukuthi asifundiseni abantwana i-boxing, asifundiseni abantwana i-karate. For no one is talking about that. Akabuyele ayibhala i-history, le-heritage, le-physics.
Yes.
Ngapho ulomntwana endlini akubuye i-IQ yakho ukuthi ngapha kulandaba ukuthi vele yena wayeperforma njani esikolo akulandaba, maybe nxa vele form 3 level imphambanise kakhulu, maybe nxa umela grade 4 ukuthi azwisise, and we don't care, and maybe umntwana lo lama special talents esingakakhulumi ngawo, like we say enxa uyathunga, enxa uyaluka, enxa uyalima because ekhaya vele bayalima, and simfundisa ukufaka i-fertilizer, thina sifuna athweke akhuluma isikhiwo ku-social media abhali olive. Say right, you have made it in life.
Uyazuthi Gayani, I'm not saying abantu bangakholisi, abantu abakholisi asikholiseni guys, and let's enjoy and have fun, but you can't make twerking your personality. I'm serious.
Yeah, true.
Ukuthi vele your personality is to shake bums.
Yeah.
That's who you are. You can't do that. And even bekhona abakwenzayo, we can't all be like that.
Yeah.
Ukuthi sonkeni vele sesingomathweka sonkeni nje. That's what we are known for. Dume ngokuthweka. Angikwazi ukuthi siyaphila ku society enjani if we all become twerkers, if we all become content creators who twerk. Yabo.
And it's mvuleka ingqondo on something, and on why sometimes most of our social media guys will never be influencers. I think okwakhuluma ngakho ukuthi no one takes time to go through ukufunda sibili social media ukumele ngenzeni and that, and because Kares khangela uBhayibhitha anti say semkhulu Kares se le 100 and something thousand follower semkhulu, and but uke wafundiswa yena ukuthi uzitreat njani ku social media, uzitreat njani outside social media, and
she's actually a victim of bullying. And ufaka ku environment egcwele bullying serious.
engatrainwanga.
But then someone said that's not her, it's a social media manager. We don't know.
Even though andi social media manager wakhe osebenzisa yena, so angafu social media manager sokusifa lo Bhayibhitha phela, because nxa mina at least ngile skill ngilo manager, it means lami.
Yes.
Imagine to a musician ongakwazi ukuhlabela, then kulomuntu okumele akuhlabelele, then angakuhlabelela wena uphela usu lip sync kuphela, so kuthiwa hayi vela kule ndaba vele it's actually so kusenza sicine singahlonipheki kakhulu, because either we have to be in front of the camera naked in order to get views, kumbe sikhuluma inhlamba in order to get views, kumbe sithethisa abantu in order to get views, or sithenge ama views. So indlela straight
posteli poster lakho uyicandidate yenkulumane. I'm telling you, we are to trend.
Mina vele lamkhathe sengingabana kare ngakafaki pics. Bana mfaki pics. I-picture meme mfaki.
So mina i-message engilayo like today, message engilayo ukuthi guys, being a social media influencer is not all about twerking.
Yeah.
You can influence in the business sector, in the financial sector, in the health sector, fashion, food, sports. Zinengi indlela zoku-influencer abantu ezingaso kutwerka.
Yeah. And also, I think lami futhi ngifuna ukukuchiyela, especially omember be social media. Having more views doesn't mean you are a hard worker or you are a hard worker more than the other person. Otherwise, if that is how we measure hard work, then I'll buy to 7 because it is what Islam views I want to chat in Andy. So I'm stage performance. So
shut up with your 50 followers.
With your 50 followers. So Lao shut up by between us. Right. So interesting politics happening in the city after ukushona kwa Mhlonishwa Moyoxide, may his soul rest in peace. So isikhathi sokuthi abantu bathole umholi sesikhalile and now ama candidates say nathi
Silo Mrs. Moyo.
Is it official now? I have to check because ngicela kusangana kuyi debate and not but I remember there was a newspaper that also wrote about that, so we can speak about it. Yeah. So like, or before we move to other candidates, there was a debate. I think uzakhuluma kuhle njengomama. There was a debate about ukuzila. Ukuthi sefuna ukucontesta as uMP useqedile yini ukuzila kwesintu.
Are we saying umuntu ozilileyo akasebenzi? Is that what you're saying?
Exactly my point.
Because nxa sesitsho njalo sikhuluma ngomfelokazi.
Yeah.
Olabantwana.
Yeah.
Like let's not talk about the political side.
Yes. Vele mfuna kwambana.
Umfelokazi olabantwana. Are we saying umnyaka wonke kumele azile ahlale phansi azinze abantwana besidlani? Do you get it?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
I don't think ukuzila kwesintu kuyavalela umuntu ukuthi asebenze.
Asebenze, yeah.
Yeah, I think Leo, I'm against her contesting, but not from that perspective.
I wanted us to pass through
not
this
from that perspective.
Cultural norms are.
City usezilile umnyaka wonke. I don't think uyazi kufana lokuthi kuthiwe umnyaka wonke uzilele umkakho ungangeni ku relationship.
Okay, bengakuzwanga. Akuvumi.
Let's be realistic.
Wazwa cha.
12 months. 12 months.
No chance.
12 months. Problem we don't like accepting the truth.
What about those that have husbands in diaspora? What are you saying?
Kukhona, but it's bad for marriage.
Yeah.
It's bad for relationships. Ukuthi husband ehlale ngale indoda ehlale ngale. Kahle vele couple vele I don't think it's healthy for them to stay a month bengabonananga.
Yeah.
Unless nxa ukuthi maybe into yokuthi utravelile uzaphenduka. But ukuthi usehlala khona yabo I don't think it's healthy, but iko ukhona economy yenza senze njalo. But lapha sesikhuluma ngomuntu esikwazi ukuthi
kaphenduki like totally. Yeah.
Uselele ngokuthula sengimvalelisile uselele ngokuthula 12 months.
My viewers, ngicela lenisize. First thing, especially abadala labalolwazi issue yokuzila esintwini kanti ukuhamba njani, then against this era that we are living in ukuthi ngiyaphiwa 3 days as a off emsebenzini, then after 3 days umele mbuyele emsebenzini kuzilwa njani? Is
Kahle,
it specifically umele ngihlale phansi
I think
okunento okungamelanga
impendulo
ngizenze?
itholakala ekuthini nxa kuthiwa umuntu uzilile uzilani.
Uzilani, yes,
Yabona?
kuzilwani,
Mina nginga understand nxa kuthiwa ngizile ukuthi I'm not getting married in the next year. Not ukuthi I'm not getting into a relationship, I'm not working. Hi guys.
Bakithi ngicela linisize mina mbe mfitshane lapha endabeni yokuzila. So indaba nje enihlanganelayo kukhulunywa ngama candidates sizalitshela manje karesi. Ngase ngithi before we just talk about ama candidates asibonisaneni endabeni yokuzila le so that singachawa umuntu ngoswazi olungayisilo. Thina we love learning and okwenza sikhulume ngendaba lezi ukuthi ukhona umunye njengami ongawaziyo. Ukhona umunye njengonothi hayi sikho lokho ukhona umunye futhi uthi mina but ngingazama.
No, it's not Leslie, it's not ukuthi ngithi ngiyakwazi. No,
I'm saying
and I'm not saying mina ngikhuluma is correct, but I'm saying sesikhuluma ngereality.
That's what I'm saying.
Ngendingo kumbe ngendingeko zomuntu ophilayo. We can't expect umuntu to zila for the whole year.
Yeah, it can't. Can't.
I think we're asking for too much, really.
Yeah. Before we talk about ama candidates alama parties, mbona ukuthi kugcwele ama independent.
Yeah, ama independent.
What's happening ngama chances?
Uyazi ukuthi idemocracy siyayithanda, but layo ile okunye okungama disadvantage ukona. Kuyafana even when it comes to national presidential elections. Uyathola kunokunye ongama independent okunye ukuthi kathi umuntu lokho ngokungubani kuvele ngapi kuyenza ngani kufuna ukwenzani kuplan ukwenza uyamela njani abantu and stuff like that. So it's also happening, and also la khona ukuthi kulula nje ukuthi umuntu aphonga kuba candidate, anyone can be a candidate. So you find ukuthi lo muntu vele ongakaza ukucabanga ukuthi ngiza contesta angabona sokule gap mana ngiyo contesta kati ngiyabe niluzeni. You get it. We've got those types of candidates. Umuntu othi but mana la mphonga ujikela ibizo lami I lose nothing. Indaba nale uthi I lose nothing yabo. Ngenye issue lokhuzayo mina sisakhuluma ngo Mrs Moyo. Not looking at indaba yokuzila le ukuthi
ngalesi siphumela I just wanted to attack
I don't think personal perspective, hey. Ngiyakwazi manje bazangidla. I don't think it's okay for her to contest.
Why?
We are always seeing posts online, people against the president putting his relatives posts is doing and stuff like that. But we are saying since she was the wife of the late, she can contest. Is that the reason why she's contesting? To continue legacy yomngaki? Do you think that's reason enough?
But is that the reason?
What else? What other reason is there?
Maybe my political aspirations and was waiting for the right time.
Are you saying, you know what?
No,
waiting for the right time.
I'm attacking it in.
Are you saying this is the right time?
No, not the right time as such, but me and I'm so. I love politics. At some point in my life, I want to really
can she
engage
contest?
in politics.
Can she contest using her own work, her own history, her own CV? Because I still feel Wuti Lapa, she's writing using Moyoxide's name.
Yeah,
her husband.
Now, what I want us to clarify is, yena use10.
Maybe so.
Because
so I think let's leave this one because this is she's not even contesting.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Even if she is contesting, and
if she is, then
I think for us to then say, because if we are really going to talk about people writing on the letters, and it's not only her,
but it doesn't make
almost
it right.
Everyone that is contesting there is writing on the letters.
It doesn't make it right.
Yes, that's my point. So I'm saying, is she write vela si fagen eceleni because it does not only expose her. Remember, another candidate was the best friend from high school.
Madlela.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? So so it's the same thing. So presidential so best friend ka president
so it does. So it's still the fact ukuthi kwenziwa it's by more than 1% doesn't make it right.
Yes, that's my point. Ukuthi kungabi right, kungabi wrong ku Mrs. Moyo kuphela. If we are identifying that as a problem, then let's say everyone who's writing on that is wrong. That is if they are.
So if that's the case, then ama candidates lapho esingakhuluma ngawo ukuthi sibili we are talking about the ZAPU candidate Mthulisi, we're talking about the ZANU candidate Freedom.
Mina, my point is
yibo bangawriting ebizo.
No, mina I don't think anyone is writing on anything. My own point of view. I just because if vele in terms of write and Mthulisi has been in politics for quite a long time.
Yes.
He has been ZAPU spokesperson for a long time.
Yes.
And at some point he was exiled and like he has been in this struggle. But do you realize ukuthi iNkulumane ivule a certain passage just like the previous County Park ukuthi everyone wants to be there in Nkulumane. So even ZAPU choosing Mthulisi, it's actually writing. If we are going to talk about writing on Umoyo side, even no Freedom.
There's writing on someone's name and there's being strategic. Those are
those are both strategies. Depending on how you apply them. But so what I'm saying is anga bikwazi kakhulu in terms of your profile ga Mrs. Moyo. I think I just need to go through it and because I know less about her as an individual. But like I said, I've seen some of the works aga Mthulisi, ZAPU. So
what about Freedom?
Yes, I've seen. I've been not in close range lo Freedom, but I've seen ama works community wise. Even in Fen, he came through at some point. He has been doing some tournaments for keeping Abafana out of drugs, go community and same lo Madlela, your favorite in art.
I'm also having mixed views on Madlela contesting.
So
because
profile wise now I'm simply saying he's also done a lot for Ubulawayo, he's done a lot for Mtwagazi. So I think especially on these three, ziyakhala for Freedom, Mthulisi, lo Madlela, because we are yet to confirm Mrs. Moyo ukuthi is it
but
really?
But Madlela, if he's in this thing, he has to win. Because if he loses, that is going to be a big L.
Yeah.
Like a huge L. So I'm just saying, nxa win into leyi, nxa ingena into leyi.
Yeah.
Kayingenele kuyiwina.
And the competition is tough.
Ngoba uyawazi uthini? I think Mthulisi, if Mthulisi loses, uluzile, but his loss is okay.
It's okay.
If Freedom loses, luzile, but his loss is
he can just
okay.
pick himself, dust himself.
If Madlela loses, I think his loss is bigger than all of them.
And I think that's why maybe they chose him as a party. By the way, for those that don't know, Madlela is representing Triple C, led by Chabangu.
Yes.
We know less. We are
and
relying on information.
Mthulisi is ZAPU.
ZAPU, yes. Mthulisi Anana.
Freedom Murechi is ZANU-PF. Yes.
Then we have got a lot of independent candidates. Then kulamanye candidates that are also there, and we are not yet very sure ukuthi ngababobani and what right. And we are going to give a full list, and we are going to profile these guys, and some of them as Fabi's.
Hopefully they'll come.
easy.
People usually avoid interviews when they're contesting. I think I don't know.
Yeah.
But
Thina sabagrilla mngani.
asabi muntu
Yes,
thina.
sabagrilla.
Yeah, but iko khona lokho.
Yeah.
That's what is there. It's actually an interesting occurrence in our political field.
Yeah.
Uzathola ukuthi idrama ezinjengalezi sijayele ukuphelela esigodlweni but
Zakhala.
noma zisenzwa ngabantu okuthiwa ngoChabanga abalezibongo zesintwini but ziyenzakala khonale.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
then I don't know sizabona ngakho ukuthi mbani ozangena ukuthi abantu benkulumane bazakhetha
Yeah,
ubani
let
ukuthi
the
abameli.
best candidate win.
Yeah.
Mina, the only thing is, especially Goma group, our art, I have to say this. This is politics. This is not poetry or comedy. Don't like start forcing people to vote for someone because the artist. It's wrong. This is politics, and people have to choose their own political
Eqhambe
leader.
amabizo usabani kanti? Usabani kanti?
No, amanye amabizo ngiyabe ngingawazi, ngiyabe mphombo ubona iphoso ukuthi mbani exactly bizo. But ngabe lamabizo ngabe sembatshela mina because ambasa. So this is politics, guys. Ungathi ule show siyabe so support. But if you choose to take a political route, then we treat you as a politician. So singethuselwa emagroupini sokuthiwa hey asisupportani, hey Karesi silomunye wethu le artist sengu MP. So kwehlukene ve singahlutshwa mina personally I should if you are now a politician, convince me politically.
I'm
I'm
actually wondering ukuthi Madlela has a lot of brands working with him.
Yeah.
I'm actually wondering what's going to happen with those brands.
A question that I ask myself.
Yeah.
I think I would learn a lot from this. I have a lot of learning to do because recently Lantube endorsing ngenye futhi big brand, very big brand.
So
But mina, I think indoda ungabona ithatha isinqumo esinjalo. It means you have sat down, you have actually
it's not an impulse decision. It's not an impulse decision.
But also for justice, especially for our followers abroad, I think we can just maybe call him and get a comment and maybe talk about it next week.
Yeah, probably we can.
Because it's a big person go art. Or set this route. So my followers go art would like to know. My followers are much go politics. Also want to know. So I think if he agrees, we can call him a studio. Then if he's busy, then we can maybe get a comment for him.
Yes.
Yeah. Otherwise, manang etisi postela.
So guys, phethelweni ohlelo enkundleni exclusive brought to you by Deb3 Events. So guys, please ama comments siyawathanda and we really appreciate you. Siyalibona liya comment, siyalibona liya share. We really appreciate what you guys are doing. Liqhubekele phambili lisenza njalo. Ngakholisi wedwa share labanye podcast, abanye labo babukele, abanye labo bathola information, abanye labo balibale, you know. And also don't forget to subscribe with us khona lapho kule button nje lingani ibhera khona lapho ungatobeza khona lapho uyabe ususubscribe lelathi. And also follow Deb3 Events across all media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, leso kuthiwa iX ikhona Deb3 Events. Thina lathi ama-host enu sikhona futhi Nonduduzo Ncube across all social media platforms. General Leslie la ukhona futhi namhlanje ngiyamkhulumela General Leslie across all media platforms.
Yes.
Follow us and engage with us.
Yeah. So go post enyavunyela ukufaka i-logo le company. Postelani le politics.
No.
Not
at all.
Right. General Leslie across all platforms, your one and only boy. Like I said, guys, we are going for the PAAs very soon. The company has got a nomination. Then your boy General Leslie has got 2 nominations. Hey, keep your fingers crossed. The Sit down. Right. It has been Nkundleni exclusive podcast. I mean, I'm getting ready for my elections. Kungenwa imali uba MP 1,000.
Akazi ukuthi nani qina ngecomedy.
Alright. So lami mfuna ukuyazama bafethu, ukuyazama lami khona ngala indoda ifele empini. So for now, ukuyazama lami iposter lami carousel zaphela. So it has been Enkundleni exclusive like Nondutuzo was saying. Press the notification button, press the subscribe button, make sure you share. And we are available on Facebook, TikTok, X, everywhere. Just look for Depth3 TV. Sikona for ama snippets sikona. Then go YouTube for ama full episodes sabesi nachi. Make sure you follow Depth3 events for these stories and many more. Okwamanje salibona singalikhangela.
Bye.